Well, hello, and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. I'm here at my second home in Vancouver, British Columbia. Isn't it lovely? And I'll be doing some sampling today. What will I be trying, you ask? These specialty Oreos. They're not your normal Oreo. Look at that. It's a peach. Let's give it a try. They're peach and oolong flavored biscuits. They're individually wrapped. Let's try it. Oh my goodness, the smell. Strong peach smell. But the taste? Peachy keen, jelly bean. This is a great cookie. I love living the good life.